Top 10 Most Beautiful Irish Women in 2024. Hello friend, we have selected such women from Ireland who are very beautiful in looks. They have perfect facial structure, their body is attractive and they have a perfect figure. In this, you will see the most beautiful women in Ireland. Some are actresses, some are Miss Beauty Queen, and some are models. Number 10. Katie Lamont. She is a Northern Irish designer, television presenter, curator, and media personality. She was born on August 10, 1985, in Ireland. She earned a degree in Fine and Applied Arts from the University of Ulster and now runs CL Design Ireland, a design studio in Belfast, specializing in antique home furnishings and Irish linens. Lamont has hosted a music series for Motorsport for UTV, RPM, and Mobile Marketing Association for Setanta, Indiana on Cage Contender Magazine Television, and since 2008 Belfast Fashion Week. Number 9. Stella Maxwell. She was born on the 15th of May 1990, in Brussels, Belgium. She has multiple citizenship including the United Kingdom, Ireland, and New Zealand. She is a 33-year-old fashion model and a former Victoria's Secret angel and is also the face of the cosmetics brand Max Factor. She went to Queen Margaret College and the University of Otago, where she was discovered as a model by an agency. Dunedin is the location. Maxwell is fluent in both French and English. Number 8. Angela Scanlon. She was born on the 29th of December 1983 in Ratoath, County Meath, Ireland. He is an Irish television presenter and broadcaster for RTE and the BBC. She began her career on Irish television, hosting several shows on RTE, including the documentary Oi Ginger. In 2014. Since 2016, she has worked as a reporter on The One Show, filling in for Alex Jones. In 2016, he co-hosted Robot Wars with Dara Bryan, his first role on a major British show. Scanlon began her career as a stylist and journalist before appearing on television. She has contributed to Tatler, Grazia, Company, You Magazine, and the Sunday Times Style. Number 7. Rosanna Davison. She was born on the 17th of April 1984, in Dublin, Ireland. She is 39 years old Irish actress, singer, model, writer, and beauty queen who was crowned Miss World in 2003. In the UK, she is represented by Storm Model Management. She came second in a poll in February 2012 to determine Ireland's most iconic Valentines. She began hosting segments in October 2013 on LFC TV, Liverpool FC's dedicated television channel. Number 6. Evanna Lynch. She was born on the 16th of August 1991, in Termonfeckin, County Louth, Ireland. She is an Irish 32-year-old actress, voice actress, and activist. She made her stage debut in 2013 as Bess Houdini on the UK tour of Houdini. Lynch starred in the critically acclaimed independent drama, My Name is Emily, which premised at the 2015 Galway film Fled. Lynch starred in the Disco Pigs revival at the Trafalgar Theatre in London in 2017. Number 5. Saoirse Ronan. She was born on the 12th of April 1994 in New York City, USA. She is a 28-year-old American-born Irish beautiful actress. Her audiences are often familiar with her work for time being, due to his work in historical dramas compared to most black actors. In addition, she has received several awards, including a Golden Globe Award, and has been nominated for 4 Academy Awards and 5 British Academy Film Awards. Number 4. Holly Carpenter. She is a beautiful Irish model and beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss Ireland 2011 on the 13th of August 2011. She was born on October 9, 1991, in Dublin, Ireland, and she is 32 years old. On the 6th of November 2011, she was the representative of Ireland at the Miss World pageant held in London, England. Since 2015, she has been contributing to the Herald newspaper by writing a weekly column every Friday. Her column focuses on current topics, including positive body image and dating. Number 3. Olivia Wilde. She was born on the 10th of March 1984 in New York City, US. She is a 40-year-old American-Irish actress and film producer. She played Remy, 13, Hadley in the medical drama television series House, 2007-2012, and has appeared in the film Strawn, Legacy, 2010, Cowboys and Aliens, 2011, The Incredible Burt Wonderstone, 2013, and The Lazarus. Impact, 2015. In 2017, Olivia Wilde made her screen debut, playing Julia in 1984. In 2019, he directed his first film, the teen comedy Booksmart, for which he won the Independent Spirit Award for Best First Feature. Wilde's second feature as director, Don't Worry Darling, was released in 2022. Number 2. Kate McGrath. She was born on the 24th of October 1983 in Ashford, Ireland. She is 40 years old, beautiful Irish actress. She rose to prominence for her roles as Morgan Pendragon in the BBC One series Merlin, 2008-2012, Lucy Westenra in the British-American series Dracula, 2013-2014, Saskia in the TV series Secret Bridesmaids Business, Sarah Bennett in the BBC One series Merlin, 2008-2012, the first season of the horror anthology series Slasher, 2016, and Lena Luthor in the superhero series Supergirl, 2016-2021. Number 1. Sarah Bolger. She was born on the 28th of February 1991 in Dublin, Ireland. She is a beautiful Irish actress. She started his career in 1999 with the film A Love Divided. She is best known for films such as In America, 2003, Stormbreaker, 2006, The Spiderwick Chronicles, 2008, The Moth Diaries, 2011, The Lazarus Effect, 2015, Emily, 2015, and A Good Woman is Hard to Find. 2019. On television, she starred as Princess Mary Tudor in The Tudors, 2008-2010, for which she won an IFTA award, and Princess Aurora in Once Upon a Time, 2012-2015. Bolger also appeared in the series Into the Badlands, 2015-2017, and Mayans as MC, 2018-present. In January 2011, Bolger was selected in photographer Kevin Abbott's project, The Face of Ireland, alongside other Irish celebrities including Sinead O'Connor, Neil Jordan, and Pierce Brosnan.